As the camera rises higher, Bengaluru slowly unfolds beneath it. The noise of the streets softens, the city stretches outward, and the skyline begins to reveal its ambition. Emerging above it all are the Prestige Kingfisher Towers. Completed in 2018, these residential towers rise to approximately 122 meters, spanning 34 stories of vertical luxury. Among the tallest residential buildings in Bengaluru, they represent a defining moment in the city's evolution, a shift toward elevated urban living. As the ascent continues, Cubbon Park and Chinnaswamy Stadium unfold below, while the central business district frames the horizon, a city balanced between legacy and momentum. At the very top of Kingfisher Towers sits one of Bengaluru's most talked about residences, a sky mansion belonging to Vijay Mallya, often referred to as the White House in the sky. Its origin lies not in a blueprint, but in a remark that became legend. During early discussions with Irfan Razak, chairman of the Prestige Group, Vijay Mallya is widely reported to have joked that he would agree to the development only if his original family bungalow was lifted and placed on top of the tower.
It started off as a joke.
Okay. What story behind
the
it?
brewery house, which is the bungalow, was on that piece of land for over 100 years. And so when these developers came and asked me that land should be developed, so in a joking way, I said to Irfan Razak of Prestige, very dear friend of mine, top man, I said, Irfan bhai, if you lift this building and put it on top of the tower you want to build, I'll agree. He said, okay, that's what we'll deliver. That's what they did.
What began as a casual remark soon became a defining idea. The result was not a literal relocation, but a recreation, a multi-level penthouse designed to echo the scale, the layout, and the spirit of his original home, reimagined high above the city. A house once grounded, now re-envisioned in the sky. Today, Kingfisher Towers stand as a reflection of confidence, bold, aspirational, and unmistakably modern. As the skyline settles, another tower comes into view, quieter, composed, and resolute. This is UB Tower, often informally known as Mallya Tower. Completed in 2008, UB Tower rises to approximately 123 meters across 20 floors. Standing among the earliest modern commercial high-rises in Bengaluru's central business district, it marked a decisive moment when the city stepped firmly into its role as a global business capital. While Kingfisher Towers speak of lifestyle and legacy, UB Tower stands for structure and enterprise, anchoring Bengaluru's corporate evolution. At the base of this corporate landmark lies a different expression of the same vision, the UB City Mall. Integrated into the larger UB City development, the mall introduced Bengaluru to a new kind of urban space, where luxury retail, dining, art, and open courtyards coexist. More than a shopping destination, it functions as a public plaza, connecting business, leisure, and culture. Together, these three elements, Kingfisher Towers, UB Tower, and UB City Mall, tell a layered story of Bengaluru's evolution. one born from a joke that reached the sky. One built with discipline that anchored ambition. And one that redefined how the city experiences space at ground level. As Bengaluru continues to evolve, these landmarks remain not just as silhouettes against the skyline, but as markers of a city that dared to imagine higher and then built its way there.